Good afternoon to one and all. I am Lakshman. I am studying in 5th standard in MJV Boys School, Singaropet. Today I am going to participate in club activity. The club activity name is Indian States and their capital cities.
Good afternoon to all. My name is R. Bharathas. I am studying in 5th standard in NJP Boys, Singaropet. Now I am going to participate in club activity. The club activity name is Indian States and their capital cities. Jammu and Kashmir,
Srinagar,
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla,
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun,
Tripura,
Agartala,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
Bihar,
Patna,
Sikkim,
Gangtok,
Assam,
Dispur,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Manipur,
Impal,
Mizoram,
Aizawl,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
West Bengal,
Kolkata,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Andhra Pradesh,
Amaravati,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Karnataka,
Bangalore,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram,
Goa.
Panaji. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sati from 5th standard in MJP Boys School, Singaropet. Now I am going to participate in club activity. The club activity's name is Boundaries of India. The east boundary of India, the Bay of Bengal. The west boundary of India, the Arabian Sea. The north boundary of India, the Himalayas. The south boundary of India, the Hindu Ocean. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Akhil. I am studying in 5th standard in MJP Boys School, Singaropet. Now I am going to participate in club activity. The club activity name is 7 Continents and 5 Oceans. Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Antarctica, Australia. 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Thank you. Good morning, all. My name is N. Harshavardhan. I am studying in 5th standard in MJP Boys Singaropet. I am going to participate in club activity. The club activity name is the largest countries in the world and their capitals. Russia. The capital city of Russia is Moscow. Canada. The capital city of Canada is Ottawa. China. The capital city of China is Beijing. USA. The capital city of USA is Washington, D.C. Brazil. The capital city of Brazil is Brasilia. Australia. The capital city of Australia is Canberra. India. The capital city of India is New Delhi. Thank you.